Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the screws by turning them counterclockwise.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Disconnect the bulb housing. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the screws by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.